Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Bright and early. Got my Northeast coffee going. That's the local spot up here. Real quick, 125 subscribers. Thank you very much. If all you guys could do me a favor and just scroll down after you click on my video. I mean, most of you know comments, how to get to them, but there are people that don't. So all you gotta do, once you're on the video, scroll to the bottom. There's the comment section. Let me know what state you're from. Leave your initials of your state. That's all I want to know. I want to know where this channel's going, where it's been, blah, blah, blah. That would be pretty cool to find out. So, busy day today. We've got to go over to the blue foam job and cut those footing piers in. Then I got to run over to the foundation job, check on those guys. I got a new print, revised print, to go with 9-foot walls in the back instead of the 8-foot, so that's going to help us significantly on the grade on that job. And then we're going to head out about 40 minutes from here, and we're going to start a stone job, a culture stone job, which that would be a cool little project. You haven't seen us do that yet, so stay tuned. And it's a busy Friday. All right, we're on site. Looks like the plumber's got the radiant tube in on the garage so far. We got to stop them to get these haunches cut out. They weren't laid out. We had to get them laid out exactly where they are. So you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's blue lines here, and then it goes all the way the distance to here. It looks like it's only 12 inches wide. This tube will have to be moved, and then it goes out that way. That's a thickened haunch. We got another haunch here. From here, I don't see the other one. Oh, from there to there, it looks about a 16-inch. There's a 3x3 pier in this area. It's 3x3 and another 3x3, and then like a 2x2. But we'll get these snapped, the lines all snapped good, and start this. All right, we got our lines chalked out. Cutting with the skill. Whoa! Cutting with the skill saw. All right, simple as so. After it's cut, lift it out. That's one layer. Lift it out. So there's you see how it's gonna go. We're gonna get 2 layers here. Then the concrete goes down in. Be some rebar in here, and that acts as this is a bearing wall interior partition that's going to hold trusses. So we'll get these in, check back in a bit. All right, take a knife and cut your plastic away. Don't use the sawzall because it's just going to pull it out and wrap it up in the blade. Use a knife, get the poly completely out, then cut with the sawzall your next layer. Nice and nice. All right, guys, I gotta run real quick. I gotta go over to that job with the foundation. I'll bring you there just to give you an update on that project. Here's what Miko's doing: 3x3 pier, 3x3 pier. This is probably a 1 or 2. It looks probably a 1x1 little pier under a stairwell. Then all these troughs right here, it jogs. We just cut this out. You saw that, but he's gonna lay these out, cut these out, and these are just your posts are going up. And then everything sets on that. A beam goes across. Everything's for bearing, but then again, the whole thing gets concrete anyway. So that's where we're at for this. He's gonna get that done. We're gonna head over to the other project. All right, guys, on site with the foundation. Got all the footings poured. A little bit of water in there from all the rain we have. So just laying out the walls now. Walls will be set Monday and poured Monday. So everything's looking good. Everything fit in the hole. Makes me happy. All right, back going to Miko. All right, back on the foam site. All the haunches are cut out. 2 layers down there. There's a triple layer here to the P-stone. These are all double layer. And this will all be thickened concrete in here, and we'll put some rebar in there the day we pour. And there's one more last 1.5 by 1.5 pier and this one here. All right, I don't think we're going to be heading to that stone job like I said, because the materials aren't there yet till Monday now, I heard. So not going to go 40 minutes to find out they're not there. So short video today. It's Friday, nice day. Gonna do some administrative things in the office, close some deals, and work on some other projects. So we will catch you on the next one. Look out for a clip on Sunday, Father's Day. And to all you fathers, happy Father's Day. Thanks.